how big is the universe? This is a question that has kept astronomers up at night for centuries. How far can we see? What's beyond that? And do we have a beginning and an end? When you're standing on the Earth looking up at the night sky, it looks like everything is right there. It looks like the stars are right next to each other in a dome above your head. But we know that's not true because when we look at the stars, we're actually looking back in time. If you want to know how big the universe is, you have to start by understanding how big the observable universe is. The observable universe is the part of the universe that we can see. It's the part of the universe that we can observe. The light from distant stars and galaxies takes time to reach us. And so the farther away an object is, the farther back in time we are seeing it. The most distant object we can see is a galaxy. That is 13.7 billion light years away. That means that we are seeing that galaxy as it was 13.7 billion years ago. The size of the observable universe is constantly increasing as light from new sources reaches us. And as we develop new technologies that allow us to see farther and farther into space, in a sense, the observable universe is the only part of the universe that we know exists. We can't see beyond. That's because light from those regions hasn't reached us yet. So how big is the observable universe? The answer might surprise you. It's about 94 billion light years in diameter. That's about 94 septillion kilometers. If you wanted to travel to the edge of the observable universe, it would take you about 13.7 billion years. But what about the rest of the universe? We don't know how big it is or if it even has an edge. For all we know, the universe could be infinite. There are a few different ways that scientists try to measure the size of the universe. One way is to look at the cosmic microwave background radiation. The cosmic microwave background. Radiation is the leftover heat from the Big Bang. It's the oldest lot in the universe. By looking at the pattern of this radiation, scientists can get an idea of the size of the universe. Another way to measure the size of the universe is to look at distant galaxies. As we look out into space, we are also looking back in time. The farther away a galaxy is, the farther back in time we are seeing it. By looking at the most distant galaxies that we can see, we can get an idea of the size of the universe. It's important to remember that the universe is expanding. This means that the size of the universe is constantly changing. As the universe expands, the space between galaxies is growing. This makes it more difficult to measure the size of the universe, because we can't see beyond the regions that are receding from us faster than light. So how did we come up with the number 94 billion light years? That's just an estimate based on the current rate of expansion of the universe. It could be smaller or it could be much larger. So what does all of this mean for us? Well, it means that the universe is vast and we are just a small part of it. It also means that we are constantly discovering new things about the universe. As our technology improves, we will be able to see farther and farther into space and time. And who knows what we will find? Perhaps one day we will find other life in the universe. Or perhaps one day we will find that the universe is even bigger than we can imagine. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.